Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use NetCat for forensic investigations. NetCat is a simple program that allows for network connections between machines. And during a forensic investigation, you want to do as little as possible to the victim machine because as you make changes to the machine, you have the potential for overwriting important data, important forensic data that you might be able to use as evidence. So we use NetCat to send the output of commands from our victim machine over to our forensic machine. Now in this case I've got two VMs running, an Ubuntu machine which we'll use as our victim machine and a Kali Linux machine which we'll use as the forensic machine. Now most versions of Linux already come with NetCat pre-installed, so all you'll have to do is open up the terminal, and the process is to first set up a listener on the forensic machine. This is done by opening the terminal and typing NC -V for verbose, -L for listener, -P, which we then specify a port number. In this case, we'll just use 10,000 as a random port. And then we output that into a text file or any kind of output file that you'd need to receive that information coming from the victim machine. So in this case, let's just do the date command. So we'll do date.txt. Now we start that listener over here. You can see it's listening on port 10,000. So let's come over here to our victim machine. You just use the command that you would use to get the data, and we pipe that over to NetCat with this command, nc, and then the IP address of our forensic machine, which in my case is 192.168.1.134, and the port that it is listening on, which, as we specified over here, is 10,000. Execute that command, and you can see that we got some data over here. And if we open up that file, you can see that we got the date and time. Now, you can continue to do this with different types of data. For example, let's do it again. Let's set up a listener to get our processes. Run over here. We can run the same command, just changing the inputs. And there you go. That's how you can use NetCat to send outputs from a victim machine over to a forensic machine.